To get started, first, type your search. I'll search for shirts. Next, press on the extension. You have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract listings. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down and press Load More. Do this as many times as you like. We will do it one more time. And there you go. We extracted 216 items. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the details of this specific item. So, let's press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Listing Details is now available. Let's use that. And there you go. We extracted the details of this item. To export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. And there we go. Here is all the information we extracted.